Another useful tool that's part of the InterACT software package is the screen shade. This will allow you to control how much of the screen anyone sees at any particular time. To access the screen shade, go down to this icon that's in your toolbox and click on it. This will enable you to pull down the screen from the top, or you can pull it up from the bottom, or from either side, and you can actually do this simultaneously, so you don't have to just pull in from one direction only. I have customized the screen shade that you see, and you can do that by going back to control mode, selecting options, and then selecting screen shade. This will enable you to browse through your own files to find a JPEG file that you particularly would like to have on the screen shade. It can be the school emblem, it can be the particular topic you're studying, or just a pleasant looking picture. The way you would do this is just select the one that you would like, go to apply, and then hit OK. And then when I go back into window mode and select the screen shade, I've now changed this to another picture, so you can continue to change it from time to time to suit. And you can also click on this middle one, and you can bring it in from a diagonal as well. And to remove it, just hit the X. Another tool which is similar is the searchlight, and this is under, once again, Tool, and go to Searchlight. This is will enable you to highlight certain parts of the screen. You can make it completely non-transparent, and you can manipulate the size of the actual shape by pulling on this blue border. To move the shape around, use the actual searchlight itself. This is a great way to sort of start a lesson for students. You can then continue to make it a bit more transparent, and eventually, if you want to, you can bring it up to 50 or 75%. I also find that this is quite useful when you're looking at things like charts, where you want to highlight certain features or a certain amount of text. You can actually do this as well. You can change the shape of this to ovals, to triangles, and once again, by pulling on the blue border, you can shift the actual size of the shape itself, and bringing that in there, you can change the shape to suit, move the searchlight around with the actual searchlight itself. To remove this from the screen now, just hit Exit.